Salam and welcome to Hakeem Saab channel. In this channel, I'll give you information about various medicines used in Unani medicine or Hikmat. So today's medicine is ginger, which is mostly used for gas and indigestion problems. I'll tell you what is this medicine, how it is used, what are its main benefits, and a lot more. So please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Most of you are aware what ginger is. Ginger is a root of a plant which is also known as ginger. Its botanical name is Gingiber officinale. Its color is grayish brown or yellowish. It tastes spicy or peppery, little sweet but pungent. Benefits: ginger is mostly used as a spice, but it has many medicinal benefits too. It is used for indigestion, dyspepsia, for gas problems like bloating, belching, etc., for memory issues and brain issues, erectile dysfunction, ED. Uses: it is commonly used for stomach problem. For example, gas or bloating, abdominal pain, low appetite. For indigestion and gas or bloating, you can use the following remedy: 1 gram of dried ginger in powder form, or if it is not available, you can use ginger juice with pulp, 1 or 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 cup of hot water. Mix them all and use it after 15 minutes of meal. For ED and memory issues, use ginger murabba or adrak murabba. What is adrak murabba? Ginger preserved by boiling in water with sugar or honey is known as murabba adrak or ginger murabba. You can use it daily before breakfast. Externally or topically, ginger oil is used for headache, and ginger is widely used with combination of other medicines to treat phlegmatic humor diseases or problems like weak stomach, oblivion or amnesia, backache, arthritis, ED, licoria. So what is ginger not good for? If you are prone to throat problems like sore throat, tonsillitis, laryngitis, don't take too much ginger. It can hurt your throat. Or even if you want to take ginger, take it with almond oil or honey. Dosage: recommended dose of dried sugar in a powder form is 1 gram to 1.5 gram. But if you want a fresh ginger, it is better to use ginger juice. 1 to 2 tablespoons is good. Various names: as I said before, botanical name is Gingiber officinale. In English, we all know it is ginger. In Hindi or Urdu, dried ginger is known as sund, and fresh ginger is known as adrak. In Arabic, it is zanjabil. Alternative: if you can't find ginger in the market near you, you can use a long pepper, which is also known as dar-e-filfil, as alternative to ginger. And lastly, the temperament or mizaj of ginger. Fresh ginger is hot at level 3, dry at level 1. Dry ginger is hot at level 3, dry at level 2. Hope you find this information useful. So please subscribe my channel, like the video, share it, comment on it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can watch all new videos when uploaded. Thanks and salam.